Before you rush to add the DEWALT to your toolkit, there are a few surprising downsides you might want to consider. Stick around to find out more. The DEWALT 410 is a cordless angle grinder designed to deliver high performance and versatility for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use. The tool's robust construction reflects DEWALT's commitment to durability, but does it match the premium feel of its competitors? Equipped with a brushless motor, this tool offers up to 1,640 maximum watts out and can reach speeds up to 9,000 RPM under no-load conditions. This power enables efficient cutting and grinding across various materials. The variable speed functionality allows users to adjust the wheel speed, ensuring optimal performance tailored to specific tasks. A standout feature is the anti-rotation system, which senses excessive rotational motion and shuts down the tool to enhance user safety. The paddle switch design provides intuitive control, and the grinder accommodates wheel diameters ranging from 4/2 inches to 5 inches, offering flexibility for different applications. It's important to note that the 410VSB version is sold as a bare tool, meaning the 20-volt max lithium-ion battery and charger are not included. This approach allows users to utilize existing DEWALT batteries, but it also means additional purchases for those new to the DEWALT ecosystem. In terms of pricing, this model positions itself in the mid to high range of cordless angle grinders. Considering its features and performance, it offers solid value for money. For the latest deals and offers, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: battery and charger not included. Higher price point compared to some competitors. May be heavier than other models in its class. Pros: powerful brushless motor with high output. Variable speed control for versatile applications. Anti-rotation system enhances user safety. Ergonomic design for comfortable handling. Compatible with a wide range of wheel sizes. If you're considering adding the DEWALT to your toolkit, check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video to stay updated with more reviews.